To embark on your coding journey, the first step involves downloading an application from your web browser. This initial action is emphasized in the video as it lays the groundwork for what's to come. Following the download, the video demonstrates the installation process. Properly installing the application is vital to ensure a seamless coding experience. After installation, the video illustrates how to copy code snippets using keyboard shortcuts. This technique is crucial for adopting efficient coding practices. Next, the guide navigates to the system and security settings, underscoring the importance of accessing the right menu options first. This step is essential for effective file management. Users are then directed to select the location where they wish to save their files. This choice is significant, as it supports organization and easy access. The video further emphasizes the importance of naming the new folder and file appropriately. This practice aids in future retrieval and management of stored files. Signing in to the application is a crucial step for accessing its features. This process enables users to manage their files efficiently, setting the stage for subsequent actions. The video demonstrates specific actions within the application, such as double-clicking and navigating through files. Mastering these skills is essential for effective usage and enhances the overall user experience. Finally, the feature of automating file saving is highlighted as a significant time saver. This allows users to concentrate on their work without the constant concern of manual saves, ultimately boosting productivity.